Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Rashida from my channel Harshavin. Today is Saturday. Since there is outage of veggies and fruits at home, what we thought is let us go to Jasmyn Farm Products. This is always our favorite spot to visit because it feels us peace and relaxed if we visit this place. We thought of going around 11 a.m. because we have a small kid or 7 months. We couldn't make that. So we are going around 2 p.m. And yeah, here my girl is enjoying. Friends, if you don't know a key points about Jasmyn farm products, let me tell you. Jasmyn is a famous farm stall and farmers market near Artis. That is like 40 to 60 minutes from Johannesburg. Whenever we visit Hartbeespoort, we definitely visit to Jasmyn. They follow farm to table concept, guys. That meaning is many products come directly from the local farms. They offer a wide variety of fresh products like fruits, vegetables, herbs, and organic greens. It has its own dairy products also, such as a fresh milk, yogurt, butter, and also cheese made from the farm milk. You can also see all the fruits which are very fresh and also reasonable too. And the speciality of this place for us is the ambience, the vibes, because you can see all in one single place. So the ambience is very calm and relaxed, what we feel. Post my delivery, we couldn't come here since my child was too young. Now she is of 7 months now, so we came here. Apart from veggies and fruits, there is a butchery section also where they're selling a fresh meats like beef, lamb, chicken and sausages also. Apart from the veggies, they also has bakery stuff. Delhi provides a fresh bakery, pastries, breads, etc. They also sell homemade products like jam, pickles and sauce made from the farm produce. Apart from that, some items are locally crafted and giving a traditional farm style experience. Many vegetables are grown on their own farm using sustainable farming practices. So whenever you visit Artis, you definitely visit here, guys. It is also a tourist friendly destination with the restaurants, famous restaurants, windmill landmark and a shopping area. It supports our local farmers and South African agriculture community too. And yeah, this place is known for a beautiful countryside setting, making it both a shopping and leisure spot. So we bought some of the veggies and fruits, not like a meat on our pastry or bakery stuff. We bought just veggies and fruit. Also, guys, you get wide ranges of chocolates, varieties of chocolates, nuts. You can see here. After shopping, we usually go to Windmill restaurant since it was late. It was around 4:30 p.m. It was almost closed. So, but the thing is, the waffle was opened. The waffle ice cream stuff is like just below the Windmill restaurant. So you can see the ambience. Since my baby was also sleeping, we thought of having ice cream with waffle. And guys, what I can suggest is whenever you guys visit to Hartbeespoort, then you can directly come here to do shopping. Also, you can come on weekends. My suggestion is you can come on day when you are free. You can enjoy one single day here because you can do shopping also. You can have a good restaurant, that is Windmill restaurant. You can enjoy here with your family. And this place literally gives you a calm and relaxed environment. And all the products here are fresh and very good and reasonable too. Thank you so much.